Welcome to nurtechsolution. Today I gonna show you ChatGPT. For that I am going to a browser, so you can use any browser, doesn't matter. I am going to use Google, so then I gonna search ChatGPT. Then I will click search, and you can see first one is said OpenAI. So that's the company introducing ChatGPT. So OpenAI, that's the main company who found this ChatGPT. So that's the company website, and we need to go through the company website. So then I gonna click is introducing ChatGPT. When you are in here, if you come on the left hand side, down left hand side corner, you will see it said try ChatGPT. There is a link option, just click that on. When you click that, it said verify you are human. So we need to verify that. Just click in the box. Then they verify you are human. Then first it said welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So if you have any OpenAI account, then you can log in with that, or you can sign up. So right now I don't have the account, so that's why I gonna use sign up option, and I gonna create the account, and I gonna show you. Just click sign up. Then it said create your account. So you can create your account with your email, or if you have like Google account or Microsoft account, you can use that. So in this case I gonna use my email, so write down my email in here. So when you put your email address, make sure the email is correct, because they're gonna send like verification. You need to verify your email address because they want to make sure you are human being and you are the main user of ChatGPT. Okay, then put your email address, then continue. When you click continue, it said create your account. There should be put a password. So you want to make sure keep a strong password, because it could be like the good for you. So just put the password, and they want to make sure you must put at least 8-digit characters. Okay, so it should be at least 8 characters, and then you need to verify again you are a human. Then when you click that, it gonna open verify your email. So you need to verify that. So open Gmail or whatever. Then when you open it, you're gonna see in your Gmail or any email, you're gonna see the new email in here. OpenAI, they already sent the verification. Then you can see OpenAI verify your email address. So you need to verify in here. So you can see the green box said verify email address. You need to click that on. When you click that, it gonna verify you, and it gonna ask you put your first name and last name. So I gonna put my first name in here, then last name, then I gonna put continue. Okay, then they said verify your phone number. So you need to make sure your phone number is correct. So you're gonna select which country you are. So I am in Australia, so I select Australia. Then I put my mobile number in here to get the verification code. It's supposed to be 6-digit verification code. Then I gonna put like the send code. Then when I go to my mobile phone, I can see the verification code already sent. It's 6-digit verification code 000530. So I need to enter in here. When I put in here, it gonna automatically take it if it's correct. Then it gonna say ChatGPT, this is a free research preview. So if you like, you can read bit. If you don't like, you can go to next. Then next one said how we collect data. You can go to next again, same way. Then it said for feedback, so you can go to done. Okay, so when you done it, you can see this is the main page where you're gonna get like all the information whatever you like. Suppose in this search box I gonna put tell me about Australia. As I am in Australia, so I want to know like what they are writing in here, so how it's work. So you can put anything whatever you like. Okay, if you like to write a poem about you, they're gonna write a poem for you as well. So you can see it's like writing about Australia, and I can see all are correct in here, so they are pretty very cool. Okay, so if you need any particular question and need any answer, so just put your question in here and they're gonna give you the answer and very correctly. Okay, so suppose that one done, I gonna charge another one, tell me about Bangladesh. I gonna want to make sure they knows everything. Okay, so tell me about Bangladesh, then I gonna search it. Let's see what they knows. Oh, I can see they knows everything. It said like the Bangladesh is a country located in South Asia, so that means it look like everything is correct. So they are describing like that. So that's how you can get like the ChatGPT is for most powerful tools for researcher or student who need any kind of particular information for about like the anything, and you can get everything in here. If you like, if you don't get from like the Google, I gonna give like the description box the link of OpenAI as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you believe this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Until that, stay safe. Bye bye.